Hello, we are going to see how you can harmonize the major scale, and we are going to do this on the key of C major. So let's go right into it. Just adjust this camera for you to see. Okay, on the key of C major we have this. Okay, yeah. So we have the melody as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8 octave. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Now going by the triad rule, we can actually do this. And if we have the melody as this, we can have it. And this is the melody. But instead of doing this, we want to harmonize it with the left hand. So this is the melody, and this is, we are going to harmonize it with the sixth, which is A, C, and A. So we are going to take the two upward together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's pick a song and try, and we would try to harmonize the melody of the song using this concept. Let's do this song. Okay, come on, my phone is ringing. Okay. So this is a cool way, a nice way you can harmonize your melody, and it will actually sound different and it sounds nice. All right, see you another time.